Okay, today we're working on a Garhauer Outboard Engine Lift so we can get our engine on our dinghy. So today we'll be discussing the Garhauer Engine Lift. So for all of you guys that have subscribed and are following, we would like to thank you. But for the ones that haven't, please subscribe. It really helps Kathy and I out to be able to keep these videos going. And I hope you're getting a lot of entertainment and knowledge out of it. Got the main lift here. Then there's some brackets and a ball that it sits on the bottom. Another bracket to go to the stern railing. Then they make a special brackets called for Catalina. It's called an offset bracket. Then you also have extension pole. This that fits in the bottom of here. So we'll try to put all this together so if we can get it mounted on the back. I want to see how this extension pole works. I mean, not the extension pole, I'm sorry, the bracket. As I said, the angle bracket was made just for Catalinas. So we can get that aft little locker open back there. So see how it works. So I can't really get this bracket to mount on the back where it's going to really do me any good. I can see what they were trying to do, but the only problem is it's not really going to help anything because I still wouldn't be able to get this locker open. But we can get to the locker from inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount this, and it's a plate that goes underneath. I'm going to mount it like that, and come up and mount it to this bar, and then it'll have. I mean I can stand on that, so that's got plenty of, it won't break. So, and the motor's not that heavy. It's nowhere near as heavy as me. So anyway, we're going to mount that and then put some bolts on there, seal it up, and see what we got. Okay, the moment of truth. We've got to drill some holes now. Hopefully this is going to work. Close. Don't want to get too close. Ooh, no, that ain't working out right. Got to move it out. So. Oh well. Alright, here's what we got. Okay, so we put the ball at the bottom. Got to clean it up a little bit. Set this down, hold down on top of it, sitting on the ball, bolted on this. And our pole comes up. See about where it's at. Then we got a clamp here, clamps to the rail. And then we also have a piece that slides up that mates these two, like that. And also it can hold your rope up line, excuse me, the lift line. So anyway, we're going to put that on there. Then we're going to see what we got. Looks pretty good. Looks like the right height. I think it's right length. It's going to be good. So we'll see here in a few minutes. Okay, finally got the engine lifting system. Got it to a little hook over here to keep it steady, keep it from going anywhere. So it's two ways this thing can be strung up, we'll say. One is like this, where it goes down, goes through this roll, and that's the way it comes from Garhauer, and then goes through this piece. Make sure that you get this piece on correctly, because there is a right and a wrong way. Yeah, I had it flipped over and this little cleat won't work. But now the cleat, it won't pull out of it as long as you got it where it goes through the hole. So you want it turned that way. And then if you don't want to use that, you can actually use this cam cleat. You can come across here and down and actually do it from inside the boat. You would have to take it. But now it's set up so you can do it from the dinghy. So anyway, I think it's going to work good. I think it's going to work absolutely wonderful. What do you think, Kathy?
I think it's going to be great.
Yeah. So it looks like it's going to lift and everything out of the way. It looks like it's the right size.
and we got it mounted, so good deal.
Here's the chef, hard at work. Fixing us some good looking victuals.
Woo, can't
What
wait.
you cooking there, Tony?
Chicken, vegetables, and on the old grill. The grill's good. We got a new pan too. That keeps the drippings from getting all over the place. So.
Nice.
Doing good. Doing
It's gonna be
very
good.
Can't wait. Can't wait.
And look at
Kathy,
it. And look at this beautiful, beautiful day out here. Sit out here on the back of the boat and have dinner. It's gonna be so nice. It's been such a pretty day. Got anything else to say, honey?
Yeah, I love you and thank you for being my first mate and captain most of the time. And thank you for helping me cook this. You are a great chef. So anyway, we're having a good time and can't wait till we do this full time.
Yep. Okay.
Over and out.
Over now.
See ya.
Bye.
Alright, here's the
Next episode on
Clear.
Dreamweaver recipe.
I'm going to replace it with a clutch. This is a spin lock, new spin lock clutch. This is the main sheet, so it'd be so much better. And let's see if we can get